Should I say grand arbre or grand arbre? Les amis or les amis? I feel like I'm messing this up. Hey, stop, relax. You're not alone. Connecting words in French can be confusing, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around and I'll explain the rules for these tricky sound connections so you can sound more confident in no time. Bonjour à tous! I'm Natalie, a certified language teacher with over 5 years of experience helping students master the languages. Originally from Ukraine, I've been living in France for 3 years, discovering all the tricks to sound more natural in French. If you are here to improve your pronunciation, make sure to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any tips. Your support helps me create more content like this. Let's break it all down, starting with the most important rules. Liaisons are the little pronunciation tricks that make French sound so smooth and connected. In essence, they occur when the usually silent final consonant of one word is pronounced at the start of the next word, but only if the next word starts with a vowel or silent H. There are 3 types of liaisons. Mandatory, you must make them. Forbidden, you must avoid them. And optional, you can choose to make them or not. Let's start with mandatory liaisons. They are non-negotiable. If you want to sound fluent and natural, these are the liaisons you must always make. Number 1, between determiners and nouns. Les amis, un enfant, 2 oranges. Between prepositions and their objects. En avion, dans un sac, between adjectives and nouns. À grand arbre, à petit ami, between subject pronouns and verbs. Nous avons, vous allez, ils ont, with direct or indirect objects. Ils les aiment. Forbidden liaisons are just as important. These are situations where you absolutely must not connect sounds. After an aspirated H, les haricots, on e, between singular noun and adjective or verb. Un homme important, l'enfant arrive. After verbs, elle écrit une lettre. Tu veux un café? Between adverbs and adjectives. C'est vraiment ennuyeux. After the conjunction et. Un homme et une femme. In inversions with quand, comment, or combien. Quand est-il arrivé? These mistakes are easy to make, so pay close attention. Mastered the obligatory and forbidden liaisons? Great. Now, here is the good news. Everything else is optional. You don't need to memorize them all, but using them naturally can make your French sound smoother. So here are some examples of optional liaisons. Between plural noun and adjective or verb. Les travaux importants or les travaux importants. Les enfants arrivent or les enfants arrivent. After a noun and preposition. Les bateaux à voile or les bateaux à voile. After negation with pas. Je ne vais pas aller or je ne vais pas aller. After common verbs like être, avoir, aller. Vous allez écouter or vous allez écouter. Je suis à la maison or je suis à la maison. Petit bonus, let's practice together. Read this sentence aloud. Did you manage to make liaisons? Let's check it out. Les arbres anciens cachent un haut réservoir. Or we can say, les arbres anciens cachent un haut réservoir. And now I want to hear from you. Have you encountered challenges with French liaisons? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like to check out this video about top 10 French phrases you need to know when you travel to France. À bientôt! Ciao!